easy and quick skincare routine, and this video is in collaboration with Foxy, which is an amazing platform that connects influencers with top brands and shoppers. So let's get started. So first I'm going to remove my makeup and wash my face. Next I'm using this coffee scrub by the Beauty Co, which is a wonderful cocktail of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It's very rejuvenating and detoxifying. Using on wet face with very light hands to avoid any rashes. Next I'm using this rose skin toner by the Beauty Co, which maintains pH balance and excess oil on my skin. It also tightens pores and hydrates my skin very well. Now it's time to drench my skin in moisturizing serum. So using this Garnier sheet mask, which is filled with hydrating serum. One Hydra Bomb sheet mask has 1 week of serum and its application is very simple. After removing the top sheet, just adjust it according to your face shape. Let your skin absorb all the goodness. I'll keep it on for 15 minutes, and by the time I'm listening my favorite music, let me just share with you guys my favorite beauty concoction. So this is the recipe. Collect all these things in a jar and keep it inside refrigerator overnight. You can sip it next morning, it tastes yum. Time to remove it. Massage with your fingertips to let the serum absorb in your skin. Don't waste the serum. I use it on my neck and also use it to moisturize my hands. Hydration is really important for your skin, so don't forget to drink at least 8 glasses of water. I download Foxy for more such interesting videos. Bye!